Salon guys, how you guys? Hey, eating some ndaba yokuvlogga le. So ngisemakhaya. I'm like, am I vlogging? So kunzima. Angazi bayenza kanjani ngishem abo kanobani abo Lirato Nxuma lona abo who's this lady? Aneliswa. Nenza kanjani ve? Guys. So ngicela uvuka nengibonile uma uvuka. So uma uvuka la nemakhaya first thing you do ukuthi uyavuka uyangaphandle ushanela. If ungashaneli kusese 8 wanyana ukufisa helitsatsi morto. And if I'm Chanel, and then you go for you clean the toilet and then you clean the house before show 8. Oh, show 8, everything against that. We were thinking in cause so today, guys, in 26th of December, so I said to myself, let me start vlogging my life because I do have 2 weeks lanikaya, and then come be my day today. Record. So let's go to clean the toilet, man.
like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook.
Sengicedile ukuklina ngithi khe ngizibambe ngetiye. Guys, thina sinamanzi lana. Besinamanzi emajardini. Angazi ukuthi what really happened, but niyayibona le story lesingena kumzansi magic kanini. Lesama twins manje one ushonile one yaphila. Oh ngikhohle igama. Babontazi lo ngafuna abantu babe namanzi in. Ngathi kwenzeke kanjalo. So na kule area lena umuntu onepompi ngakwakhe umuntu ozibhorele. If unga afford njengabo Jozi, fana ukuthi uthenga amanzi ke waqalisa Jojo waqalisa namabhaket impilo esiphilayo. So ngaqeda ukwaphi guys ngikhathele ngishanele ngaphandle ngaclean toilet ngaclean endlini manje ngithi hayi ngike ngizibambe ngecoffee. Zibambe ngecoffee guys, we need to appreciate impilo yazi. Yaza ngangicela isistory senzekile but ngizosicoca ku story. Kuyidore ngizosicoca. Hayi into ngithatha ikofi ke ngizibambe ngetiye because ami ngikhathele akushisi but I can't shame angikhona uqala ngalanga without drinking coffee. Yazi angazi ukuthi ngiba kanjani nje kinal addiction ya coffee kinal addiction ya coke. But i-coke ngiyakhona ukuyeka but i-coffee I can't. Kumele ukuthi ngiphuze when masesifule stage ukuthi siphose everything. This Christmas is the first Christmas engispende nabantwana bami, umntwana kabhuti wami omfana. Besi4 kuphela. It was a very quiet Christmas. But I appreciate bophelo guys in. We appreciate bophelo hore modimo re beile and re sale teng. Re tla bona go tlang. Se sa bang ra se dira this year. Re tla sira next year. So ngithengile ama nitin like see Christmas mangathenga ngama cake, ama biscuit just assorted. Ngithe asingavulanga istede because be Christmas. Ngithe ke ngizibambe ngama biscuit nabantwana bami nabadla ama biscuit. Emlo singawakhipha ke ekhabetheni. Into important go Christmas like lama biscuit la hold ama memories for abantwana bethu because they know what is Christmas so thenga and usually we don't buy them during the years so thenga only Christmas engaba bishukela nkosi yami yo la ngenza ithalanya unboxer yo ngithi bheki golden tickets maybe sayithola nathi cases we nearly 500 cale kahle uJanuary ayitheng ba like abantu abayitholile ngibonile omunye TikTok uyitholile bathi bamuphe i500 so I know ama biscuit wethu wodumo on Christmas awabakanyoko but beside lokho ukuthi si create ama memories for abantwana bethu even though ungayithanda ishukela just nje to participate ikilwabona so now ama biscuit ngwenzela abantwana bami guys nami ngithake ngithorenga coffee guys enjoy nama festive season ngizonibamba ngale itorini. I've tried vlogging, it's my first time and angibuka ukuthi ngisazoyenza futhi hayi lento lemsebenzi yo abo pause abo play abo pause ayangeke. Bye guys. Lana guys bengiphuma ngiyobheka ama ceiling boards ngiyobheka ne tile laphansi ngiyobheka ne face coat pen singathola ukuthi table did bavalile ngoba yi26 so ngathi emangenela ka my friend and see izinto ngisifuna ukuthi ngazithola na mangena lana ka my friend mangifika ama ceiling boards angiwatholi but i-paint i-first coat ngiyayithola. So ngithi hayi abangipha amabhekede ayi-2 namarola ayi-2. Guys, sometimes fanele simbonge uNkulunkulu and sibonge nabazali bethu. Mina wami umzali guys wasikhulisa ayedwa, as my father washona kusesemncane. So for me, uNkulunkulu makakublessing ngamandla dlula umzali wakho, you need to show up for umzali wakho whenever. I wish ukuthi ngaba na something esona. So if you can do it, zenzele, awenzeli bona, uzenzela wena. Hore modimo umontshangi ayekeleze siyekele ukuba ilamantu laba ukuthi uhlala ku fancy place but yini uhlakahlakane whenever you want to go. Yini fana ukuthi hambe kubo Airbnb or book ama guest house esifa uya awuna ko henu fix egini. But charity begins at home, and if ever uqala egini ulungisa la uya khona and le moto re ngwa starta mo dimo tlo fa matla because of ubona hore motho mo jwang. Imlo singabuye ekhaya guys, ngibuyile ngithola ama-band namarola lokho unyangathola. Ngithi manje for time being, because of sengitholele ngizitholile, asicale sensenzeni i-face coating because umntwana kabhuti wami ukhona una 17. So like angapainter at least for time being. Yabona saqalile lapha yana guys, hayi kunzima ukukhula yazini. Enjoy festive guys.